Nice day today. We got 3 or 4 sails, a couple of cobia, nice big blackfin tuna. There you go. Way back there.
Dude, that's a big tail, man. You want to do that one? God.
It's been a nice day today on the 40-foot catamaran by Invincible Boats. We've had about, I believe this is the 5th sail, a couple of mahi, a blackfin tuna, and 2 nice cobia. So a nice mixed bag. It's been an excellent Friday out here with the group. The Invincible Pro Team remix, Sarah and JC. We got Rudy from Invincible and Ben as well. Definitely thank them for having us out. It's been a lot of fun. Kind of wrapping things off with this one here, but a little bigger sailfish here.
Sarah specifically requested that for you.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Good song, man. I'm pumped.
Right?
You got no chance, Sailfish. You got no freaking chance. So thanks guys for watching our vlog. If you want to see our latest video, please click right here. And if you like what you see and you want to see more Center Consoles only content, please subscribe right here. Thanks guys.